Hello, I'm Camille,
Hello, I'm Carolina.
and together we created our team Equipa Turfu in Portimão. Both living in Portimão, a city of the southern coast of Portugal, we made a few observations on our surroundings. Firstly, after the peripheries got built up, we realized that most of the buildings were being abandoned, so now they are decaying and nobody wants to invest. And secondly, the cultural offer is quite limited.
So, due to the high season tourism, we noticed that during winter time there are not many cultural activities around. So, question came up, and then, hey, what can we do using old buildings and bring some culture at the same time to the city?
Another issue that is common to most continental Portuguese cities is the aging of population and the lack of offer of activities and attraction for all the age groups.
Yeah, also we would like to use as much as sustainable process during the festival as possible, because we are regarding to the future with more green process, and how can we keep that? Maybe using abandoned places will be a nice idea. That's what we thought.
Feeling concerned by all these aspects of our surroundings, we had the idea to organize a festival in Portimão for 3 days, spread out in the city in different sites, where we would bring in activities.
So this idea about transforming abandoned places such as this building, we can turn these spots into cultural activities such as concerts, street food, maybe workshops or exhibitions. So we hope this can turn these old places into new, where all people from all ages from the city are involved.
We are planning the festival for the autumn of 2021, so it will be during the low season and thus profiting to all the citizens of Portimão. And the fact that the festival is spread out in the city and not focused on one main point will make things easier in these times of coronavirus.
So we already started actually to talk with the town hall. We are also looking forward to have some partnerships. And at the same time, we started with these 4 projects that we earned in contest last summer. And these are about fluorescent walls, cabine telefónicas that I don't remember.
Phone booth.
Yes. Also to build a mural with schools. And for last,
Green Street.
yeah.
After the first edition 2021, we hope to reiterate the event in other cities and also to motivate people to take over the project in their own city.
Guys, thank you so much for all the attention, and I hope you like this festival.
Thank you.